So how can you make Reels with the iPad? Let's get started. So iPad is actually a great device because it has the larger screen for video editing, but it can also be used to capture the actual clips because most iPads have good enough camera. So I would begin with that if you need to capture any videos or any footage for your Reels. Just ensure that your iPad is recording in the vertical orientation and not in the landscape mode. Then as you are recording, make sure that the quality is good enough. So you need to make it at least like 4K 30 FPS. It's something I would go with. And if not, 1080p might work as well, but definitely less quality in the video. So once you have the shots captured, you obviously need to go with some kind of story, but you need to put it together into one clip. For that, you need to use a video editor. There are some options which you can use, like there's the iMovie, but that one only lets you edit in the landscape format, so this is not ideal either. And I like to use CapCut Video Editor for all of my projects. I'm not affiliated with the app in any way, but I just like it, right? And you can export in the vertical format, so you just throw all of the clips into a timeline, cut them, reorganize, apply effects, transitions, whatever you like. And once you are done, you can click on export and you will end up with a finished reel, right? So everything will be put together into one video file, which can then be uploaded to Facebook or, Instagram Reels, wherever you want to do or publish your content. So this is like a very broad guide on how you can do this. For some more in-depth like editing videos and camera-related tutorials and stuff like that, make sure you are subscribed because I have like a lot of stuff and a lot of videos which might get recommended to you. So make sure you do that and you will never miss anything important. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll catch you later.